Another very helpful feature is the local sound feature. I would like to demonstrate that, but I have to open another project for that. So I just press open and I go to the example folder, and you find it in the noise inspector folder. And I open the demo project folder. What you can see here now, there is a demo project on your hard disk, and there is a Beethoven, an alignment and an guitar. You can activate them. I would like to activate the guitar measurement. There is a measurement file and a JPEG file. The guitar measurement is very simple to explain. That is, again, two speakers on the wall, and the speakers are playing an English-Italian lesson. On the one channel, on the left channel, there is English speech, and on the right channel, on the right speaker, there is Italian speech. And they are talking at the same time. So let's see what that means in sound camera module. So the sound camera module opens the data. I calculated a frame, and I can go to acoustic picture. At this frame, at this special time, at this special frequency, the right speaker was more active, or the only active one in this example. But that's not important. Important for me is that you can click into the picture and you have a cursor. You can see this cursor here. And the cursor can be erased by clicking on the X again, and I can set it up again to this speaker. We see the values in X, Y and Z. That is the pressure level of this point in the picture. That is the first thing I would like to show you. When we have set up cursor in the acoustic picture, we see that the local sound has an activated calculate button. We just press this button and we choose a time period, for example from 0 to 9 seconds, and we calculate this. This needs some time for calculation. And now we see all the other controls are active, and we can now hear the calculated sound from this position in the room. So let's hear what happens on this speaker. So, and I would say it is quite good to hear from 3 to 8 seconds. 3 to 8. You see the blue cursors and another cursor running through when I press play.
È la nostra specialità. Qui la faranno bene senz'altro. Certo, signorina.
So what you could hear was the Italian guy speaking on the right speaker at a time from 3 to 8 seconds in the measurement. Let's see what's on the left speaker. For that I just press the cursor to the left speaker. I do a recalculation from 0 to 9 seconds, press OK. Calculation is done. Hear what's going on. Again, we hear from 3 to 8 seconds. Let's hear it.
And I'm not a magician. And this is not a restaurant with a 24-hour service.
I hope that was quite impressing what local sound is doing. You can calculate the sound of any point in this picture. So, for example, if you have a machine and you have found, for example, 2 or 3 sound sources, you can hear into the sound sources and hear what kind of noise is emitting from these sound sources. So in this example we had 2 sound sources, but in a machine there could be many sound sources. So close it.